Hello, everyone. Welcome to another series. This would be our oral and maxillofacial surgery or pain for the national boards. And I'm very excited about this series because oral surgery is one of my personal favorites. And this will be our lecture one in this series. So let's get started. So some of the topics we will cover in this video is going to be more of an overview, just like my other first videos. And I will only be focusing on the most important aspects in the national boards. But for an overview, we will be talking about case presentation, ASA classification, informed consent, bleeding and post-op problems whenever we are having an extraction or any surgery. So, and then infections, dry socket, trismus, and then I'm going to end with an infection control. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So I'm going to start with the case presentation. So whenever a patient walks in the door, you always want to